So we 3D printed the water wheel seen on the episode with Edward, Steady Eddie. I have a broken Edward. I think I have another one somewhere around. So here it is. I tried to scale it to according to the size of the model. Obviously, the width, and the height according to the video. So it should look taller than Edward. Compare side by side. There you can see what I meant. I made a flatbed especially for this model. Okay, here's how the water will look compared to the original. Seen on the video. I tried to recreate almost everything. Well, I did everything actually. It's everything in there. The slats or planks across. You can see right here. There is between each of these sides. There's 1, 2, including these 3, 4. Flatbed. Let me show you the flatbed. Obviously, all these are prototype, but this was my first attempt, and it came out really good. I think came out really good. So here is the flatbed truck. As you can see, the axles are way too. There's a lot of space between the two axles, so might not work on curb track, but actually do, because these rotate. What I'm talking about, they swivel. As you can see, they swivel. I just gotta lose them a little bit if I need to have more freedom to swivel. This one is okay. This one I need to lose them a little bit. Wheels, obviously the wheels turn. The wheels on the bus, they do turn. I did not use screws, but on this new truck, this is my own design, but I think it's better than making the Trackmaster trucks. I mean, so this way we can design a lot of new models. There's supposed to be here a coupler right there, like in the thing on the tankers. We just put a screw in here, so we should be good to go. Yeah, but it's a long flatbed. Let me put. Actually, this is good to recreate some of. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do some of those flatbeds where you put the. What a good idea. Thomas being carried or other engines. This is the perfect size for a truck or Trackmaster to carry out an engine. I think I have some shells for Edward right there, but not that shade. Maybe this shade compared to the wheels. Actually, it's that shade. See the wheel shade? That's the perfect shade. It's not even light blue. Well, compared with these Tomy original wheels, that's the original one. That's good. Okay, let me know your thoughts about this new design. Thanks. Shout out to the sub follower who left that comment, and I did finish this in 2 hours. The design 2 hours. This one was about 30 minutes. This one was 2 hours. Try to figure out how to make the truck swivel and how to screw. How to add the screw is not just easy. It's not easy to design something from zero. And this is based on the original model seen on the episode with Steady Eddie.